然后第二步呢就是要闻。
Yeah. So second step it's smelling.
第三步很重要。
So this is a young tree, young vine, right?
So is this 这个是一个比较年轻的葡萄树的吗？
那个20%的那个咖啡内放是84年的树龄，这个麦克洛呢是50年的树龄。
哦，84年。84年。Okay. So 84 years for the Cabernet Franc. 84 years old the tree. And the other one is 50.
Yeah.
Yeah. But not.
然后第三步是很重要啊。第三步是喝饱满的一口，含到嘴里要含3秒，跟唾液产生化学作用。
Okay, so the last step is really important. When you drink the wine, hold it in your mouth for at least 3 seconds. So there's a chemical reaction with.
为什么呢？为什么呢？就是刚才那个谁姐夫说要不要醒酒要不，就是说我们一般是从来不醒酒的。那用这种办法，就含到嘴里含3秒，咽下去的时候呢，把嘴闭上，用鼻子出气，就可以完全体会到这款酒的单宁的骨架。
Okay, so when you do the wine tasting, right, hold it in your mouth, and so you breathe through your nose, and then you can tell from the taste. That's why they say you don't have to 醒酒I don't know what how to translate usually what do you do when you have a bottle of wine? Okay, so it's the reaction with the oxygen, right, with the air. So and you don't have to do it, but you hold it in your mouth, and that's the same function as putting it out there.
因为我不建议醒酒，因为醒完酒的时候，你只是喝了它最后的那个果香的味道，就中间的过程就没有了。
Okay, so she doesn't recommend doing that, putting the wine in the air, right? And so that you only have the last taste of it, all the other smells and taste kind of gone already. So that's why you open the bottle and you drink it, you can have all the smell. Like.
那我们现在就是说，喝饱满一口，含到嘴里含3秒，咽下去。咽下去的时候，嘴不要张开，闭上，用鼻子出气。
Okay, so when you do the tasting, right, after you hold it in your mouth, you drink it. Yeah, so you hold it for 3 seconds, and then you drink it, and you breathe through your nose, and you can have all the taste.
Come on, so happy.
Yeah, so enjoy.
Very good.
喝饱满一口，一定要记住，喝饱满一口含到嘴里含3秒。
Overall, this one's very good. It's very smooth.
Very
smooth,
high, silky, smooth.
Percentage of them are low.
Okay, 他说这个酒很好，非常的这个柔软柔和。
Heavy on the Merlot, right?
你刚才说他会一直继续这样说下去的，一直说到最后。
然后这个会，你要是这样喝的。
说英语吗
？Okay, so I got confused. So when you drink it this way, you go through 1, 2, 3, 4, like we have maybe 6, 7 bottles.
那我们现在喝的是那个3吨米6，好。这款酒的年产量我们只有2万支，然后这个价格是90块钱一瓶。
So for this one, they only have 20,000 production cases, and it's for $90.
它一箱是6支的。
It's 6 bottles in a case.
那我们把杯中酒喝掉，我们开始喝这款酒年产量只有3000支。
Okay, so we'll get to the next one. The production volume is only 3,000 cases.
Yeah. 然后呢，这款酒是很不同啊，它是单一酒精100%的咖啡内放。
Okay, so this one is really different. It's 100% Cabernet Franc.
Yeah, that's gonna be good.
Yeah, I like that.
You like that?
That's one of my favorite.
Okay.
这个呢，在那个波尔沟只有3个庄园可以酿，我们就是其中的一个。
Okay, so.